My name's Dave. It's a table, and there will be talking. So today we're gonna unbox this puppy, the Zoom Podtrak P4, the ultimate recorder for podcasters, 4 mic inputs, 4 headphone outputs, auto mix minus. Not a lot of people know about that, but if you're into podcasts, you probably do. And the built-in sound pads. So this is it. This is the box. You can see it's kind of tiny, which is good. They're conserving on the whole ecosystem thing. Weird. There's no seal. Usually there's like a thing you have to cut. And it's not anywhere. It's it's a little disappointing. It's kind of like, when you buy yogurt at a store and you take it home and you see the seal is just a little bit broken, and you just have to hope that you're the one that did that somehow, when you're just violent the way you put it in the grocery bag or in the car, and because you don't want to not eat the yogurt, so you just convince yourself that that's what happened. And also, yeah, that kind of sucks. Or like if you're going to a hotel room and the sheets are they look used, there's like someone's hair on it. Ugh. Anyway, that's the sort of feeling I'm getting now because it wasn't sealed. But I can always return if it doesn't work. Okay, it comes with a little misfolded, someone really stuffed that in there. Looks like, what is this? Instructions, quick guide. We got a guide in probably French, or is this French? So we got guides in all sorts of languages, so you can go all across the world with this. Quick guides, warranty. Okay. So you got your paperwork. And then in the box, you have batteries. They got a nice little, it comes with 2 alkaline Maxwell double-sized batteries. Pretty good stuff, I think. And then, so here's the turkey. Oh, it's pretty light. It's pretty light. Oh boy. It's, guess that's it. Yeah, that's it. So that's it. That's all that's in the box. Wow. Very light. They're stopping with accessories, these people. So you get batteries, the Zoom, and instructions, which people probably just find them online. Okay. Let's hope it's not like someone's finger, or like a dead fish or something. That's from the Godfather or mafia movies. Okay, doesn't feel like flesh, feels like plastic. So I guess it's plastic. Ta-da! Wow. Even though it's plastic, I like it. It's very light. Doesn't feel, well, I guess it could break. These knobs turn. Ooh, they got a little weight to them, so it's smooth, I like that. That I like. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 headphone. 1, 2, 3, 4 headphone outputs. So each person can have one, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 XLR, and each one can be controlled with their own specific gain. So if you got a loud guy, you know, soft-spoken guy, a loud girl, and a soft-spoken girl, you can figure it out here. And yeah, okay. So 4 XLR, 4 headphone outputs. I guess you could set it up like that so that it can go this way. Okay, so then there's a SD card spot. Sort of comes out like a little clumsy. Okay, there you go. Let me see if I could do that better. So looks like this might be one of the things that breaks first. It's kind of hard to pull off, but then when you touch it, it's like so flimsy. I mean, yeah. Anyway, that's where your SD card goes. But you know, you won't have to keep plugging it out because it's got a USB here, USB-C, right here. So you can just go ahead and plug a USB from here to your computer, and bada bing, bada boom, you can transfer everything from that sound card. And let's go on to the other. Oh, and then it's also got a DC 5 volt, so you can charge it. Oh, that's great. So it's got 2 USBs, one for charging it and one for the actual, you know, if you want to use it as a computer interface or, you know, transfer data. So that's good. I like that. And over here on this side, we've got the power button to, what is that? BTA 2. I think this is the Bluetooth A, probably Bluetooth adapter. And this is the phone. So this phone thing is great because you can plug in your phone directly. I made this whole video, a really long one, about how to make a phone call with your Zoom H6. But turns out, if you don't have a Zoom H6, you could just get this. It's a lot cheaper, and it's made for podcasting. So you can connect for a phone call right through here. But I think you need a special TRRS wire to connect. Okay, I'll look into that. And then you got USB. And up here, you got your channel 1, channel 2, and it looks like there's a phone. So this is where the phone, if you plug the phone in through here, you can use the phone, and there's a USB right here, so that'll be channel 4. So you can have 2 phones. You can have one. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a video where I test the USB and the phone, see which one gets better quality. So that's it, pretty much. Let me see. These are the batteries. Guess I could put them in. You gotta watch me struggle. Does anyone know how to? Mom! Just kidding, I do not live with my mother. Oh. Okay. Maxwell. So you put these here. Yeah. Okay, well that's what comes. Okay, well that's what comes in the box. I guess what you really need, or what I need is, so you need an SD card, and you need your mics and the XLR cables and the headphone sets, and you need a TRRS to connect your phone, or you need a USB to connect your phone. It's USB-C. So, you know, you need, it comes pretty naked. So the reason why I got this, it's really two reasons. One is because it's really easy to do remote podcasting with the phone or USB. So that's one. It makes it really easy. And two, I want to do something with my dad where I record his stories. And my dad's 90 and my dad is hard of hearing but refuses to wear those, what are they called? Hearing aids. He refuses. It doesn't matter how small, it doesn't matter how perfectly they fit. He just takes them off. So he's always hard of hearing. So I just thought it'd be impossible to do a podcast with him. I'd have to blast the audio all the way. And, well, I guess I could have just have him wear headphones and I don't wear headphones. And I would just yell. Oh, so that's another thing. I have to yell at him. So how do I not yell? And how does he hear me clearly? Well, this is the solution. So if you've got 90-year-old parents that are hard of hearing and refuse to wear hearing aids, but you want to do a podcast or record their stories with them, then this is the thing to get. Because what you do is you'll plug his headphones in and crank it all the way up. And you'll plug in your headphones and just have it normal, like a normal human being would hear. And then you plug your mic in, you plug his mic in, and he will talk into his mic, you talk into your mic. But what he hears is going to be really loud, and what you hear is going to be normal. And so just like that, you can talk to your 90-year-old hard of hearing, refusing to wear hearing aids father. And that's that. So if you're in that boat, then this is for you. And if you're not, then, maybe some of these other features will be right for you. Okay, so that's it. See you guys later.